बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं शाहिद रमज़ान स्टेनोग्राफ़र और आज मैं आपको सिविल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करवाने जा रहा हूं। ये डिक्टेशन 5 मिनट की होगी। जी रेडी? 3, 2, 1 start. The only point urged by the learned counsel for the defendant petitioner is that initial order dated 18/4/1982 is not a speaking order, as it does not contain the reasoning for passing the said order full stop. He further submitted that as plaintiff respondent had claimed possession as well as means profits, so the trial court was bound to ask the plaintiff respondent to adduce evidence in support of his claim, and then in the light of evidence brought on record could pass the impugned order full stop. This procedure having not been adhered to, the impugned orders suffer from jurisdictional defect, and the courts below have not exercised the jurisdiction vested in them in accordance with law full stop. New para. Conversely, the impugned orders have been supported by the learned counsel for the plaintiff respondent number 1 full stop. His contention is that as his contention remained unrebutted, so the trial court was justified in passing the impugned order dated 18/4/1982 without referring to documents annexed with the plaint and without recording evidence full stop. Similarly, the learned additional district judge, acted in accordance with law while maintaining the said order full stop. New para. The plaintiff respondent number 1 filed the instant suit for possession with means profits, claiming himself to be owner of suit property full stop. As per stand of plaintiff respondent number 1, he had filed certain documents with his plaint full stop. However, the order dated 18/4/1982 shows that the learned civil judge did not make any reference to the said documents and passed a slipshod and a mechanical order full stop. Even if an order is to be passed under order 8 rule 10 CPC, the court has to look into the averments of the party and see if his claim is based on some footing or not full stop. Order 8 rule 10 CPC does not stipulate that whatever relief has been demanded has to be granted even if not proved from the facts and circumstances of the case full stop. In the instant case, plaintiff respondent claimed possession with means profit which could ordinarily be granted if the plaintiff respondent had proved his claim either through oral evidence or with documentary evidence full stop. In either case, evidence has to be brought on record full stop. The impugned order dated 18/4/1982 reveals that neither it has been passed on the basis of any oral evidence or any documentary evidence full stop. Had the impugned order been passed on the basis of some oral or documentary evidence, it could be said that a judicious order has been passed full stop. However, this is not the case in hand full stop. The learned courts below have simply passed the orders respectively without referring to any evidence on the basis of which the same was being passed full stop. Thus, both the courts below have not exercised the jurisdiction vested in them in accordance with law while passing the impugned orders full stop. Accordingly, civil revision is accepted and impugned orders are set aside, full stop. The suit is remanded to the London District Judge for its entrustment to a court of competent jurisdiction and early disposal in accordance with law, full stop. Parties are left to bear their own costs, full stop.